What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here in our playlist of 500 Python concepts in software engineering. And in this video, we are going to understand the global interpreter lock in Python. What exactly is it, and does it actually matter? So the global interpreter lock is a critical yet often misunderstood component of Python's architecture, and this mutex mechanism ensures thread safety, but it introduces important performance considerations that every Python developer should understand. So why actually does the GIL matter? So the global interpreter lock has significant implications for Python's applications, and one is that it restricts CPU-bound multi-threaded code to single core execution, and it creates a bottleneck for parallel processing on multi-core systems. It has minimal impact on input-output bound programs where threads mostly wait, and it simplifies memory management by preventing race conditions. So for CPU-intensive tasks requiring true parallelism, developers often turn to multiprocessing alternative Python implementations like Python and IronPython, or C extensions that release the GIL. So the global interpreter lock creates a threading bottleneck, forcing Python threads to take turns even on multi-core processes. So that's it for this video, and why actually does the GIL matters explained in this video. Do well to check out our next video on our 500 Python concepts playlist on this channel.